Hey there mga my loves collective! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So ngayon na alamin natin kung ano ba yung mga importante mga mensahe na dapat mong malaman. Take only what resonates here with you guys kasi hindi ito mag-resonate no sa lahat. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, you're so drawn to it, then okay, you may watch this and kung makaresonate ka, piliin mo lang yung mga mensaheng tingin mo para sa'yo. Wala tayong gender dito, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo, cross-watchers. You can play froze if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you have your free will. So, sa mga naguguluhan, no, collective, all signs yun mga babes, no? So, yeah, okay. Pwede kayo rito kahit anong sign ninyo, yan, no? Kung may mga placements kayo, no? It doesn't matter. Energies are important, the storyline and the vibration. So let's go ahead and check this out, okay? So Spirits and Angel, guys, we'll be using two decks in this reading. So Spirits and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Messages for my collective, please. Mga bagay na needs nilang malaman right now. What do we have here for our collective? Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, for being present here in this reading. Messages for my collective people, please. This is for all signs. Yung iba, no, meron kayong as in sobra-sobra, kay lampas-lampasan, no, na minahal noon pero ngayon, nilibing nyo na talaga sa limot, wala na kayong feelings. Yan, antaray. In short, tapos na, wala na kayong pakialam. Kung sino man yung pinag-alayan ninyo ng sobrang taas ng emosyon noon. Dati pa naman yung vibes na nakuha ko. Ngayon, wala na. Wala na. Wala ka na talagang nararamdaman na passion, love, at emotion sa person na yun. Okay? Oh, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for you guys. Have here these wedding rings. Oh, could be married or ikakasal ka this year or hindi mo alam na ikakasal ka this year. Woo! Or makikilala mo na yung person na pakakasalan mo this year. So, there's a union. Doesn't have to be nakakasal na kayo, lalo na kung single ka. So, nakita ko rito, no, na mamimit mo na, there's a union, pagtatagpo, no, pagkakakilanlan, pag-recognize, no, na eto na yung the one for you, pat maaring paparating pa lamang siya this year. I do pick up that, and this is not just something na saglit lang, no, or hindi lang kayo kakasal tapos matatapos din, hindi. This is that knot, this is that red tie knot, this is that bond, this is that knot that is unbreakable. This is something here worth giving a chance because, okay, ang warranty nito ay lifetime. Oh, taray! Tsaka hindi niya naman kailangan ng warranty kasi yung energy niya is so pure. This person's intention is literally, no, crystal clear. Yan. So, nakikita ko na siya talaga yung the one na talaga meant na maka-union mo. And for you, no, na you're connecting here already with someone new, like you love each other. You could be married already. I'm saying that person being true to his or her promise. May mga pinangako siya, natutuparin niya. So, you may count on to that. And I also do pick up that kung boyfriend or girlfriend pa lamang kayo, there's that call of marriage. This person, sa kanyang mindset, no, kahit na boyfriend, girlfriend ang status ninyo right now, para sa kanya, isa ka na niya ritong nampion or ane. Yan, no? Nampion is husband in Korean and ane is wife. Yan. Mga babes, no? So whatever the case may be, I do pick up, okay, that wedding is literally calling. So yeah, let's keep moving. We also have here sunglasses here. others of you, someone here is seeing you as someone here worthy. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. With the sunglasses, no, nakita niya na, namanmanan niya na, no, nasuri niya na ang lahat ng angulo rito. You are the one. Yan yung nakikita ko rito. You are the one for me. Yun yung sinasabi niya rito, no. So you have here a partner. Kung meron ka ng partner sa buhay mo, married man kayo or hindi pa, this person is already seeing his or her lifetime being spent only with you. And if this person hasn't entered your life yet, for my single ladies and single boys out there, yeah, okay, ladies and gentlemen, someone here will definitely sees you as the one worth marrying, and it's lifetime. It's infinity and beyond. You will definitely catch someone's attention. Okay? And this is very deep. Yan, malalim na connection. Also have here the not today I like ya. This I like you will definitely, okay, evolve into something serious. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, wedding is calling. This person will definitely like you at first. Yung iba right off the bat, magugustuhan ka talaga niya because of the energy that you're giving out. A lot of positivity. You may be funny, not literally someone na very, alam mo yun, no, very obvious, no, na parang to the point na as in super lively, no? Hindi naman as in super ganon. Pero your energy is bright. You are a positive individual, and this is you, okay? Maybe you keep on smiling and approaching everyone with a smile, no? Hindi ka yung masungit na tipo ng energy, no? You're very approachable, no? Yung parang may lumapit sa, yes? Anong atin? Yes. So whatever the case may be, no, this is you. This person finds you really lovely. So, wala tayong gender dito because kahit guy ka, no, suited pa rin sa'yo ang word na lovely. Awesome. So, yeah, let's keep moving. We also have here abundance. Wow! You're gonna see opportunity right here. Bagong opportunity with the sunglasses and abundance, no? New opportunity, no, na kinakailangan rito mga babes na um, paglaanan, pagbigyan mo ng atensyon. Kasi, literally, yan o, Lisa of Blackpink, yan o, yan o, dollar bills, keep on falling for me, I love the way it feels. Yan, nakikita mo naman, umuulan rito ng pera. So, hindi ito literal na uulan ng pera, no? At sino magsasabi sa'yo niyan? Kailangan may first floor ang bahay nyo na para isabo yun sa inyo pababa. Pero, ang ibig sabihin nito, no, this will bring a lot of abundance wherein you will be happy, masasatisfied ka at magiging kontento ka, no? At kung ano man yan, no, wealth, pera, pagdating sa kaperahan, opportunity sa larangan ng business at negosyo, nakikita ko na yun ay patungkol dyan. Pero sabihin na natin with this sunglasses kasi yan, medyo madilim na hindi mo masyado makita, no? Pero spirits are saying, no, don't ignore this. Mapapansin mo yan agad, pero paglaanan mo ng atensyon, okay? Kasi magdadala yan ng masagana, no? At mas maalwan na daloy ng money flow. Okay, ang nakikita ko here for you guys. Yes, so definitely good news yun, no? You might want to watch that out, okay? Yung iba kasi ganito, pwede kasing yan, opportunity na yan is manggaling sa hindi mo knows or someone here na hindi mo pakilala or whatever, no? Kaya siguro may doubts ka. But spirits are saying, gather more information about this one because this will bring wealth. You will attract here money. You're gonna manifest here money, abundance, and prosperity when it comes to your business or career or job man. Yan. Beautiful. We have here the sword in the rose. Okay, here, with the not today, the sword in the rose here. Well, the sword in the rose, this is some kind of a truth, no? You do not want to hear it, okay? Maybe because you don't like it or it's no longer important to you. But whatever the case may be, hindi mo naman kailangan na pakinggan ito. But you'll receive here definitely a message or a call, a phone call, or a video call, or whatever. Okay, or just someone here, no, na tatawagan ka, okay, through your SIM card. But regardless, it's a communication, it's a form of a message here. Could be a voice call. Pero, I'm picking up that you do not want to hear it or it's not important. you're seeing it as wasting your time. Okay? So, I'm seeing na hindi mo naman kailangan pakinggan yan if you do not want to hear it. Okay? Pero meron kasi kayong marireceive na ganyan. So, you have to protect your energy because you're manifesting here wealth. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko na pag na-receive mo yan, either magagalit ka or mabibwisit ka. At ang pagkabwisit at pagkainis ng mga babes, no? Nakikita ko kasi dito na pwedeng mag-last yan, no? Kainin yan yung half day ng araw mo. Kaya naman hindi yun maganda because you're manifesting here abundance in your life. So you need to protect your energy. Okay? You need to stay in that positive. So this might be somewhat here na you need to prepare so that alam mo na, no? Parang na-accept mo na, ay, alam ko na yan, may matatanggap akong ganyan klase ng balita. Okay, 'di ba? At least, nandun ka sa kalmadong state that you already know that there is something here that you will hear that you do not want to hear. Or it might be coming from someone here that you do not want to hear his or her voice. Or you do not want to know what is happening, no, sa kanya. Kasi ayaw mo sa kanya. Okay? So yeah, let's keep moving here. We have here at the bottom of the deck for you guys. Let's see. Have here the healing heart. Cupid's arrow. Yes, told you guys, no? Gumaling na kayo kung sino man yung nagpasakit rito ng puso ninyong sobrang pinakitaan nyo rito ng too much emotions and feelings, no? At yung iba nga, meron na rito ibang nagugustuhan at minamahal, no? Iba nga may asawa na kayo. Iba naman nakikita ko rito na may someone yun na paparting sa inyong buhay, no? Nakatalikod ka, nakita mo, no? Tapos meron dito tatama sa iyo, Cupid's arrow. Sakto, February pa naman ngayon, no? Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin ng lahat kayo is makikilala nyo yan. February na agad. Pero definitely, okay, tatamaan ka ngayon, no? Ngayong taon, no? Tatamaan ka, no? And hindi mo to makikita dahil itong Cupid's arrow na cute ay tatama, no? Mula sa likod mo rito, no? At diretso sa yung puso. So, ibig sabihin, no? Habang ikaw ay inaayos mo ang buhay mo rito, no? Nagpapagaling ka, tuluyan kang nakakalaya rito, no? Sa mga bagay na nagkaroon rito ng parang blockage sa life mo. I'm seeing that everything here will happen in perfect divine timing at ang lapit-lapit na nun. Actually, ang lapit-lapit na nun. Yan. At hindi lang naman mga babes, no, ang bagong tao ang tinamaan sa'yo, no, kundi pati yung ex mo rin. Yan, tingnan mo yan, no, not enough. Kung meron man siyang kakonek ngayon, hindi yun enough, no? Nagtatago lang siya rito, yan, no, sa harap ng iba, siya ay nakangiti, pero, yan, no, sa likod-likod niya, no, naka-frown niya, nakasimangot, no, not feeling contented. This is the energy here of not showing true feelings, no, disappointed po siya sa kanyang life. Kung sino man yung ex mo na pinagbuhusan mo rito na sobra-sobra in the past, no, may kakonek man siya ngayon or wala, not enough ang nangyayari sa kanya ngayon, no, pero you're no longer giving any attention to that because wedding bells are already ringing here for you guys and a lot of beautiful things pagdating sa pera ang paparating sa'yo. And I do see that this is something here that you need to be prepared because there is some kind of a shift that's gonna happen here for most of you. And this shift might require you to feel uneasy. Okay? Pero hindi naman kailangan mag-panic, no? Parang may mararamdaman lang kayo wherein you will feel this, parang nagiging emotional kayo, out of nowhere, and why ka nagiging emotional, wala namang nangyari sa'yo, hindi maganda or whatever, no? Because there's a shift in your life that is happening, okay? You will surely feel that. Okay, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, you need to prepare yourself emotionally, mentally, honey, and of course, physically. Okay, this is you, baka magulat ka rin, baka bigla mong gawin yung mga bagay na hindi mo ginagawa. Like, nasanay ka na yung hair mo is hinahati mo lang, no, from left side to right, no? Tapos ngayon, ay teka, bakit ginawa kong right to left? Ay teka, bakit nagpagupit ako? Bakit parang gusto ko magpagupit? Yan, bakit parang ganito? You will not understand it now, but you are being prepared. Okay, nagawin yung mga bagay na yan. Kasi papunta ka dun sa big shift. Okay, big shift is about to come. Huge shift is about to come. Universe is preparing you for that. So the things that you will experience are the things that you will do here that you are not really aware of are the things, no, na tinatawag na preparation. Okay? Kayo mag-alala kasi nakikita kong maganda yan. Sinong ayaw ng pera, 'di ba? Sinong ayaw ng love life, 'di ba? Ang ganda na nakikita ko here for you guys. So yeah, kuha tayo rito mga babes, no, ng mga advices or mga gusto pa ritong sabihin sa inyo ni Universe. Advice po for my lovely all signs collective. Advice for collective. Collect. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this advices coming from your angels and spirit guides, coming from the universe itself. Let's see, we have here for you, honey, this. Embrace your inner divine goddess. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we have here this embrace your inner divine goddess. This is abundance. Unlimited abundance yan. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Hahanapin ko dito sa deck na yan, no? Na yun yung ibig sabihin nito. Unlimited abundance are waiting here for you guys. Chin up, no? Chin up, no? Prepare to receive. I'm seeing a beautiful version of yourself, and you're gonna experience here some kind of feeling na hindi mo pa na-feel ever, no? Para ka ritong na-regenerate, no? Nabigyan rito ng new life, no? So, embrace mo rito yung mga bago at mga paparating na mga blessings sa'yo. Papakita ko sa inyo, no? Pero tingnan muna natin yung iba nyo pa ritong mga advices. So we have here as well that get creative and excite your imagination with wonder. Yes, you're manifesting here abundance. I will be placing it here. So you're manifesting here abundance. Get creative, no? So you might do the script writing. You might do your vision board. No, vision board is yung meron kayong mga dreams and goals na gusto ninyong makuha or ma-achieve, no? You may want to cut it out from magazine and then, take a picture on it, na gawin mo itong wallpaper sa yung phone, sa desktop, or sa computer or laptop mo. I'm seeing a lot of abundance here coming to you guys, and it's something here positive, okay? Miracles gonna happen. That's the symbol of the rainbow here. So keep continuing what you're doing here. See, abundance is coming. I'm gonna show you, okay, later, but let's see at the bottom of the deck first. Added advice we have here for you guys. Set your intentions with heart and soul. Yes, that means you need to listen to your intuition here. Okay? A lot of abundance is coming into your life, and I'm seeing that universe is sending you messages through synchronicities, angel numbers, signs, and clues everywhere. Okay? Be prepared and huwag kayong matakot. Lalo na pag naramdaman niyo yung mga emotions na yan, parang feeling mo nababaliw ka, no? Kung saan galing yung emosyon na yun, you do not know where it came from. It's just, there's a shift kasi. So you're gonna feel it. Okay? And if you're gonna feel it, okay, ibig sabihin kasama ka rito sa mensaheng to ng pagbabago. So you need to claim it wholeheartedly in open arms. Okay? And yeah, let's see. Okay? I'm gonna find this one. Papakita ko sa inyo yan. Nandito yan eh. Yung unlimited abundance so that you'll definitely see. Yeah. See, look at that. Look at that. Isn't it the crystals here? Yano, yano. Okay? Read it all loud, no? Ayun, no? Read it all loud right here, no? Read it out loud. Bubula na tuloy ako. Allow unlimited abundance. Yan. No? See, look at that. See? Unlimited abundance is what I'm talking about. And look at that, na magkatabi pa sila ng rainbow. Isn't it the rainbow here that we're talking about? Miracles do happen. Write down your goals and dream big, of course. Okay? Whatever it is that you're gonna achieve, wow, abundance is literally coming your way. So yeah, thank you so much, all signs or collective people. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me, and I do appreciate you a lot from the bottom of my heart. Parang hey, love and light.